Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my video. So today I'll be taking you on your YouTube studio in your channel dashboard to turn off this particular setting and turn this feature on. Are you worried about no views, no subscribers and no watch hours? Then this particular video is for you. So when you turn this feature on, this particular feature I'm about to show you today on, all your videos, all your recent videos will be recommended. All your recent videos will be pushed out to the right audience. Many of you here doesn't know that this particular setting will help all your recent videos to be pushed out to the right audience. So if you are looking for a way to increase your views, your watch hours or your subscribers, this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end and make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you become part of my amazing family. I'll be taking you on a screen record in my YouTube studio in the dashboard setting for you to turn on this particular setting and turn off one setting in your channel so that all your videos will be pushed out to the public so that you will start getting those your subscribers and your watch hours and your views, and it will boost your channel. Yes, because when you start getting all these things, your channel will be visible in the public. When you create a post or make a video, then YouTube can be able to be pushed to push out your videos in the public. So make sure you watch these videos to the end and give this video a thumbs up. This particular setting that I'm about to show you today, I've actually tried it in one of my videos, and guys, it is working. Yes, Batman is working. So you need to go to your YouTube studio in your channel dashboard to actually turn this particular setting on. So let's go there and I will show you what you should do.
Let's go over to our YouTube studio in our channel dashboard in the Google Chrome to turn this setting on. So here at the left hand, you'll be scrolling down to customization. As you can see it, this sign here, this particular sign here is for custom. Then you have to click on it. So and you wait for it to load. Then it will lead you to your channel customization. Here, if you want to customize your channel, like if you want to put your banner image here, you want to change your profile picture, or you want to change your name handle, or your description, whatever you want to do in your channel on this your profile here, you can do it, but that's not what we're here for. So we'll be going out from profile to home tab, then click on home tab. When you click on home tab, then you will scroll down to for you. So this for you here, you will click on more settings. So when you click on more settings, then you have to scroll down again. You scroll down to recency. So this recency here, if your own is on all content, if your own is like on all content here like this, you need to take it down to recent content only. So for YouTube to be pushing out your videos, all your recent content to the public, you need to take it out from all content to recent content only, so that it will be able for all your recent videos that you just posted, that you just uploaded in your channel, so that YouTube will be pushing it out, recommending it to the audience. So here, if your own is on all content, don't put it on all content. Make sure you put it on recent content only. As like this, my own is on recent content only. Then you click done. After doing this, you click done and make sure you publish. Yes, it's very important. Publish so that these settings that you just carried on will be exact like this that you left it. So make sure you click on publish so that all this setting will save. Yes, you see change publish, then all this thing you just carried out is being published and YouTube will start pushing out your videos to the public.
Thank you for watching my video. See you on my next video. Bye.